A very good evening to all. So we were studying numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. So we have completed Picard's method, Taylor series method. So now today we'll continue with Euler's method. So the formula is yn plus 1 equals to yn plus hf xn comma yn. So this is the formula for Euler's method. So let's take an example. So this is the question given. dy by dx equal to xy, y equal to 1, x equal to 0, h equal to 0.2. We have to compute x equal to 1. So now here the value of x0 is given 0. So we will find x1. x1 will be x0 plus h, means x0 is 0 plus the value of h is 0.2. So 0 plus 0.2 is 0.2. Like this, x2 equal to x1 plus h. x1 is 0.2 plus h is 0.2. So 0.2 plus 0.2 is 0.4. Like this, x2 plus h means 0.4 plus 0.2, 0.6. x4 is, see the difference is of 0.2. So here 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and x5 will be 1. So we will stop here. Why? Because we have to find x equal to 1. Now we'll find the value of y with the help of this formula. So now we have y0 equal to 1 given in the question. Now put n equal to 0. So after putting n equal to 0, here y0 plus 1 means y1. y1 is equal to yn, y0 plus h f xn comma yn. The value of f x comma y is given. Value of f x comma y is xy. So here h, x0, y0. So now substitute the value. y0, the value of y0 is 1 plus value of h is given 0.2. Value of x0 and y0 means 0 into 1 is 0. So here the whole value will become 0. So y1 we got 1. Like this, put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. y2 will become y2 equal to y1 plus h x1 comma y1. So y1 is 1 plus h is 0.2 x1 comma y1. So x1 is, see x1 is 0.2 into y1. y1 is 1 into 1. So 1 plus 0.2 into 0.2. So the value will be 1 plus 0.04 means 1.04. Value of y2 is 1.04. Like this, put n equal to 2. So y3 is equal to y2 plus h x2 y2. So value of y2 is 1.04. Value of h is 0.2. Value of x2 is 0.4. Value of y2 is 1.04. So we'll find the help of scientific calculator. So the value will be 1.1232. The value of y3 is 1.1232. Like this, put n equal to 3. So y4 is equal to y3 plus hf x3 y3. So y3 we have got 1.1232. 1.1232 plus value of h is 0.2. x3, the value of x3 is 0.6 and the value of y3 is 1.1232. 1.1232. So y4 will become 1.271. Put n equal to 4. So y5 will become y5 equal to y4 plus hf x4 y4. So the value of y4 is 1.271 plus h 0.2. The value of h is given 0.2. x4 is 0.8 into y4 is 1.271. So the value is 1.4743. So see here in the question given, compute x equal to 1. So in the place of x5 we got 1. So we will stop here in y5. So now y1 is equal to the value of 1 means x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 in the place of x5. So in y5 we got 1.4743. So here we will stop the solution and this is our final answer. So I hope you all understand. See, this is the formula yn plus 1 equal to yn plus hf xn comma yn. Just substitute in this given formula. So we have to compute x equal to 1. So we got 1 in the place of x5. So we have stopped the solution in y5. So the answer is 1.4743. So you will find this value with the help of scientific calculator. So let's take another example. So here dy by dx equal to x plus y equal to 1, x equal to 0. We have to find the approximate value of y for x equal to 0.1. So see, in the previous question the value of h is given. But here we have to find the value of h. H is equal to, we have to do the addition of both the value of x. 0.1 plus 0 divided by 5. So we got 0.1 by 5. It means 0.02. So in the question x0 is given, x0 is 0. x1 is this value 0.02. Now how to find x2? x2 will be 0.02, x2 will be 0.04. x3 will be 0.06. x4 will be 0.08. x5 will be 0.08 means 0.10 means 0.1. So we'll stop here because we have to compute the value of x equal to 0.1. So like this is a difference of 0.2. So we will find the approximation till y5. Now we got the value of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Now we'll find the value of y with the help of this formula. So now put n equal to 0. So n0 means y1. y1 is equal to y0 plus h x0 plus y0. So value of y0 is given in the question 1. This is in the question, this is x0 and y0. So y0 is 1 plus the value of h is 0.02. 0.02. Value of x0 is given 0 plus y0 is 1. So 1 plus 0.02, 0 plus 1 is 1. So the value is 1.02. Like this, put n equal to 1. So y2 is equal to y1 plus h x1 plus y1. So y1 is 1.02 plus h is 0.02. x1 plus y1. x1 is 0.02 plus y1 is 1.02. 1.02. So y2 will be 1.0408. Like this, put n equal to, so 1 is over, now 2. y3 is equal to y2 plus h, x2 plus y2. So 1.0408 plus the value of h is 0.02. x2, the value of x2 is 0.04 plus value of y2 is 1.0408. So we got y3 is equal to 1.0624. We are getting this value with the help of scientific calculator. Now put n equal to 3. So y4 will be y3 plus h, x3 plus y3. So the value of y3 we got 1.0624. 1.0624 plus h is 0.02. x3 we got 0.06 plus y3 is 1.0624. So the value of y4 is 1.0848. Like this, put n equal to 4. So y5 will become y4 plus h, x4 plus y4. So 1.0848 plus 0.02, x4 is 0.08 plus y4 is 1.0848. So the value will be 1.1081. So this is the final answer. Why? Because in the given question, we have to compute x equal to 0.1, means x5. So we have stopped in y5. So the final answer is, thus the required approximate value of y is equal to 1.1081. This is the final solution. I hope you all understand how to solve Euler's method. It's very easy. Just substitute in the formula. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.